Welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and I'm just doing a little bit of a haul today. It's a papercraft haul. I'm starting off with a gorgeous card. I don't show every card that I receive, but if I'm doing a haul anyway and I've got one that's just come in, then I will show it. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see. Look at this beautiful card. This is a RAK, which is a random act of kindness card, which means you just send something out spontaneously to somebody, and it's from somebody called Lisa. It's just really cute, really lovely card, so thank you for that, Lisa. And this was from the Joyous Sets RAK group. I'll link the Joyous Sets below in case you want to come and join in the challenges and put your name on the list so you can receive cute little cards from people. I also received this from Fiona, who runs the Joyous Sets, and this is a little surprise because I wasn't expecting anything from Fiona. So this is a lovely RAK card. Now, I'd seen her make this, and it's so cute, that ribbon wreath with the little buttons, and that's using the needlepoint nut buttons, a little bit of washi tape from the Tutti Frutti Retired set, the Grapefruit Grove satin ribbon from the current Stampin Up catalogue, Spring Summer catalogue, and the, I can't remember what the papers are called, but yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is quite similar to something that's coming up. Oh, and she's used the little enamel dots as well. So these are things, this card is made of things that Fiona received for being a customer last month. So that's really lovely to see it come back as a gift. This is the thing, you see, we're crafting and we're sharing and stuff. It kind of, Fiona kindly bought some things from me as a Stampin' Up customer. Then I send her some little freebies as a thank you. Then she makes those freebies into a card, sends them back to me. I'm like, oh, that's cute. And then I'll send something back to Fiona. So it's just really nice. It's nice giving and sharing. And this is just a card to say thank you for her goodies. And she's sharing some lovely papers with me from Dovecraft. So let me have a look at these. I do love Dovecraft papers. Fiona was the one who introduced me to Kaisercraft and also to the Clearly Besotted range. Oh, that's gorgeous. These are lovely. These are like sort of traditional. That's really pretty. That's almost like a scrapbook page ready made, isn't it? Let me just zoom out a little bit. Sorry, I'm not quite sure what the light's doing. It is daylight outside, but it kind of keeps going dark and bright. It's really nice. That's really nice, actually. It's a good idea to use a die cut like that. Little garden girl one. These are like lovely sort of traditional images. That's pretty. All single-sided 6x6s. Look at that. That'd be great for a Valentine's project. Doilies. All the things I love. I don't do this. I'm going to do something like this. This sort of duck egg blue with brown. It looks really nice. I think I'm going to create something using that. Oh, look at that one. That's so me, isn't it? There's that one with more. The little elements around the side are like distress kind of silver with little stones inside. That's definitely me. That French boudoir kind of style. That's lovely. I don't know if these are all from the same set or not. They might not be, but they're just so pretty. That is definitely me. Little ditzy flowers, love that. And I love that. I'm going to do something. I've been inspired actually because I love this script, this old newspaper print, and then I like the way it's been used to cut something out with a die cut there. So I'm going to use, I've already got in mind something that I would like to use that for, which I never had in mind a minute ago. So thank you, Fiona, for those. Absolutely beautiful. Right, then I've got Stampin' Up little haul here. I won't show you that because I've shown you that before. That's the Hello Cupcake. I'm saying I won't show you that because I showed it before and then I'll show you it. That's the Hello Cupcake stamp set, which is a freebie with Saleabration. And then there's the needle and thread stamp set and the Needlepoint Elements framelits dies. That's a bundle at the moment in the Spring Summer catalogue. It's really cute. It goes with Needlepoint Nook papers. I'm just going to pop those back out the way because I'm going to need a little bit of space. Oh look, in a minute. Surprise, surprise. I seem to get one of these every day. The Butterfly Gala DSP, which is on Saleabration. The reason I got the this again was because I'm running out of things to get, but don't fear because step 2, second release of Saleabration is on the way. And here's the brochure. I can't show you inside, but you can buy from the 15th of February and there's new stuff. But the funny thing is I can't show you what's inside, I don't think. I'm not sure, I might be able to, but I'm not going to just in case. I don't want to breach any rules. But I can show you things that are in there, I think, which I hope so, because that's what I've got in here. And then I've also got the Lovely Lattice stamp set, which is one I've resisted. This is a free Saleabration one. I resisted it because I wasn't really keen on it, but it's free, so I got it. And I'll do something with it. And I've seen some nice things done with it anyway. I've got a couple of good old Tombos. It's always handy to have those around. The liquid adhesive that I use for more or less everything. I got, I think I'm allowed to show you this. This is a new punch that is coming out as part of the coordinations, Saleabration coordinations. So this punch is to complement, you'll be available to buy this throughout March, and it's to complement some of the items that were available in the Saleabration giveaway. So from the first and second release. There's a sentiment stamp set which I haven't got yet, but it will be coming, and some of those fit nicely in there. Then there's this gorgeous Big Shot, you can use it in any embossing machine, but there's an embossing folder here, which is a floral embossing folder. This will be available, this one won't be available as a freebie, this will be available to buy, but this one will be available as a freebie. So this is a new Saleabration offering. If I can get it out of the packet. Oh, it's a nice deep thick embossing folder, that. It's really nice. It's got little flowers and stuff on it. So yeah, so I got that. So this will be available as a Saleabration freebie, this embossing folder. Let me just check I'm telling you the right thing. Yeah, that'll be available as a £45 spend freebie, that one. This one, like I said, will be part of the coordinations with Saleabration special release. Oh, in here I've also got my Stampin' Success magazine, the fourth quarter of 2018. This is what you get if you're a demonstrator, and it's free, and you get it electronically as well, I think. And it's got lots of information in it for demonstrators, and it's got lots of ideas that you can case as well, so that's quite handy if you're a demonstrator. Right, this is a new DSP called Painted Seasons that you can get as a £90 freebie. So once you've spent £90 you can get this, but you also get it as a bundle. You get it with the stamp set. called Painted Seasons, but I haven't got the stamp set. Let me just check it hasn't fallen under something. No, they've not sent me the stamp set, they've only sent me the paper. But anyway, I can't show you the stamp set, but I'll show you the paper. Unless the stamp set is somehow hidden inside here. I don't know. I don't think so. No, it should come in one of these packs. But anyway, this is the Painted Seasons paper. And I think there's 12 design. Let me just check. There's 12 sheets, 3 each of 4 double-sided designs. So you've got the mushrooms, or toadstools, and the kind of little dotty circles on the other side. So you get 3 of those. And then you get 3 of these. Oh, this is lovely paper. This is succulents. Very nice. Very nice. On the other side it's got like a Calypso coral kind of starburst effect. Look at that. It's nice, isn't it? Really nice. And then there's this flower, not quite sure what flower that is, and a little bit of a geometric design on the back. And then there's this lovely delicate foliage one. This is nice as well because this is good for sort of all seasons really. And on the back of that there's like a chevron, distressed chevron. It looks like it's in mint macaron, might be in tranquil tide, but it'll probably go with either. So yeah, so that's lovely. It's a shame I can't show you the stamp set. I'll have to message customer support or demo support and get that sorted out. It's a bit of a shame that I've got to wait for it because I was looking forward to using it, but oh well. So that will be available with the stamp set as a £90. So usually with Saleabration you spend £45 and you can pick a freebie such as these papers, this embossing folder from the 15th February, this embossing folder, this stamp set that's already available, but from the 15th of February you'll also be able to pick up this paper and the stamp set for a £90 spend. There's a couple of other bits and bobs that you can get on a £90 spend. The teapot framelets and also the orchid stamp set. So that's it. So thank you for my lovely card and my gift from Fiona, and thank you for my card from Lisa. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with some fab projects.